I'm here with Michael Becker, one of the top criminal defense lawyers here in Nevada. And Mike, today I want to talk about driving on a suspended license. Now, of course, here in Nevada, you have to be licensed to drive, right?
Of course.
And the DMV can suspend your license for a number of reasons.
Correct.
And if your license is suspended and you drive and you get pulled over and caught, what happens? What's the consequence?
If you get pulled over for driving on a suspended license in Nevada, you will be arrested and you can expect to be prosecuted. It's a misdemeanor that carries a penalty of up to 6 months in jail and a $1,000 fine.
So a lot of people think that it's just a traffic matter, that if you get a citation for driving on a suspended license, that it's like a traffic ticket. But you're saying it's a lot more serious. It's actually a crime that will give you a criminal record.
Absolutely. It's a misdemeanor crime, and perhaps it's one of the less serious misdemeanor crimes, but you can still go to jail for up to 6 months for it. And if your license was suspended for a DUI, you can expect to get a 30-day sentence by statute as a minimum sentence for driving on a suspended license by virtue of a DUI.
A minimum 30 days jail.
That's correct. Now, sometimes better results can be negotiated, but that's what the statute says.
What are the typical reasons that you see clients have their license suspended here in Nevada to begin with?
There are 4 ways you can get your license suspended in Nevada. First, demerit points, too many moving violations. Second, a DUI conviction. Third, failure to pay child support. And fourth, a conviction for vandalism can result in a suspension of your driver's license. Additionally, some people may be in Nevada from a different state and may have had their license suspended in their home state.
So let's say someone's driving in for the weekend from LA and they have the California license that's been suspended for some reason, and they get pulled over in Nevada. They can be charged as well for driving on a suspended license?
Absolutely.
Here in Nevada?
Absolutely.
Here at Las Vegas Defense Group, we've had a lot of success in getting these sorts of charges reduced or dismissed.
That's correct. To the extent that driving on a suspended license is considered to be a very low-grade misdemeanor, often the prosecution of these cases involve revenue generation for the cities that are prosecuting them, and sometimes even just upon forfeiting a fine payment, a reduction or a dismissal is very possible. I'm attorney Michael Becker with the Las Vegas Defense Group. If you've been charged with driving on a suspended license, call me and we'll talk about what we can do to get your charges reduced or dismissed.